So I'm cruising down the streets of Los Angeles, and I can find a taco truck about every 100 yards. And I'm doing the same thing you are. I'm trying to figure out which one do I stop at. Well, I heard about this truck that's serving up one of my all-time favorites, and that's Birria. And I'm hoping it's the bomb, and I hear it might be. Welcome to Tacos and Birria La Unica.
We got a line on Venice Boulevard. Let's get this place moving.
La Unica Birria is the place you will find birria 100%. Tortillas ready.
How'd you find it? Just walked up to it?
Just driving by, yeah.
On 1 to 10, where do these guys rate?
They about 10 for me.
That's exactly how Yasmani Mendoza and his family felt about their mom Evarista's cooking. So, they built her a food truck. Did you ever think this is what you would do?
No.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
What's the #1 thing on the menu?
Queso tacos, crunchy tacos with cheese.
That's all me right there. Is that what I'm getting?
Oh, yeah. 3 queso tacos de chivo con todo.
This one is crunchy tortilla that has the cheese and then the birria on top.
You dip that taco in the consomme and you make magic.
What are we starting with?
We're gonna do the birria paste.
Okay.
Chile, California.
Because these have been steeped in hot water. Black peppercorns?
Allspice,
Clove?
a little bit. It gives
Oh,
it
yeah, just a touch. Cinnamon.
garlic
The whole garlic.
and onion.
A little water and blend that.
There it is.
Okay, really interesting to have that much allspice and clove in Mexican food for me.
This is because of the goat.
I go what you're saying.
Yeah.
Strain this. So the goat,
We add the birria paste, water,
salt into the pot.
so it cooks for like 3-4 hours.
And then when it's done, we'll pull the bones,
Yeah.
pull the fat, but then we'll save the sauce for the consomme.
Consomme, correct. This is the chile árbol salsa. Put the oil.
So you got the flat top really hot, so you can not only cook the tortillas and cook meat, but you can also get it hot enough to saute on it.
Correct.
Got it.
Chile de árbol. We add the garlic.
Toast those off. The oil, the garlics, and the chili de árbol all in.
We add the water, salt.
Yeah.
Try it.
You see him step back? It's got a great acid to it, almost like a vinegar acid. This is delicious. I'm queso hungry. Queso, hurry up.
This is a handmade tortillas.
That's the real key right there. Dipping it in that fat.
And then we add the cheese, Monterey Jack. This is the cooked birria. We chop it, and then we add it to the tacos.
Is that a normal portion?
Yeah, wait a little bit for them to get crunchy. It's good to go.
Okay.
The limes,
Cilantro and onions.
chile de árbol,
Gotta put lime on tacos.
lime and hot sauce.
Bye-bye, folks. Nice knowing you. Going to Coma Town. Without question, one of the best birria tacos I've ever had.
Thank you very much.
It's not gamey, it's not too spicy, it's not too salty. It's in balance, and then you get a great mixture of the onion and the cilantro. You gotta come down here and do that dunk. If I could figure out how to get in the consomme in a kiddie pool, that's kind of weird, huh?
Goat is wonderful. It's the best.
This is tender and delicious.
And have you had birria before?
I have not.
Never had goat.
No.
You just goat for it and
Whatever that sauce they do, it just has that juicy flavor.
It's the consomme for me. Consomme is top notch.
1 quesadilla.
when you think about Mexican food, what is the difference between the good, the bad, and the ugly?
Definitely the sauces, but also the rice and beans.
And how these guys do?
Excellent.
It lived up to the hype.
I got a really good friend of mine. We're gonna come down here. What would we make next and give him?
The Vampiros is a crunchy tostada with melted cheese and meat.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
He'll be hungry for sure. This is my buddy Steelo Brim.
Man, pleasure, man. Pleasure.
My favorite show is Ridiculousness on MTV. It's hysterical. This guy has eaten all over LA. Let's do it up right for him.
Okay. Yeah. Birria ramen.
I live in Long Beach, and I drive all the way to LA to come to La Unica.
The res, vampiro de res.
Vampiro de res.
The Vampiros are great. You have a crunchy shell tostada, and you get all that meat on top.
Oh my gosh, they are delicious.
So right now we're gonna cook the birria de res for the Vampiros.
Res being beef.
Yeah.
What's Vampiros mean?
It's a tostada with melted cheese and meat.
All right, let's see it, chef. Beef goes in, and this is probably like beef shoulder,
Yeah, so we add the water.
sauce on top. And then this is the same sauce that we made.
Yes, this is the birria paste.
Season with some salt and let this go for...
3-4 hours.
So what else comes with this?
beans and rice.
Love beans and
You don't
rice.
look like you eat beans
I
and
eat
rice.
beans and rice.
We're gonna make some Mexican rice,
You fry the rice a little bit. And while it's toasting,
the tomatoes, garlic, onion.
chicken base.
Yes. Water.
Are you a spicy guy?
I love spice.
Ready to go.
Spicy.
So the rice is nice and toasted, so we pour the mixture in and stir it up,
You gotta cover it.
and we'll let it steam.
Correct.
Cooking beans from dry is the way to go.
It's pinto.
Yeah, always pinto.
Yes. Water, salt.
Just one big chunk of onion.
They'll be ready to go like in an hour and 30 minutes.
Great.
We're gonna make the salsa verde.
Oh, tomatillos.
Jalapenos, water. Let them boil for a couple minutes.
Ah! You get it all over Steelo's hockey jersey.
And we add the garlic, salt, and blend. There, let's try it.
I mean, come
Oh,
on.
that's crazy, bro. That is so good.
Can we please make the Vampiros?
Yeah.
Other than that, or I'm gonna eat his hat.
Put the handmade tortilla on the flat top. It takes about 30 minutes. The tortilla cooks slowly until it gets...
It dries out versus fries the water out.
Correct.
Got it.
With the Monterey Jack on top of it.
Then we add our shredded beef. This is a
That looks so good.
vampiro. Rice and beans, onion and cilantro.
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
Thanks, chef.
You add a little bit of hot sauce, add some limes.
Bro, we being quiet for a reason. Oh, my God. It's amazing. Sometimes I've never tasted it before. It's messing me up. The hot sauce is so fresh. I needed this.
The drying out of the tostada is the game changer 1,000%. And the rice and beans are so honest. I'm having a tostada revelation. Chef, you have delivered. The food's outstanding. Trying to show off with my buddy over here.
Amazing, dude.
you.
Right?
Sincerely amazing.
Huh?
Thank you.
This might get me back on ridiculousness. Watch this.